Hey, so let me show you how you can create templates in Xenett. So let's click here on settings and then inside the firm settings, click on templates. You will land here in projects and then let's click on add template. Now here I'm gonna type in the template name. So let's just say I wanted to create a template for quarterly close. So I'm gonna type in quarterly close. The project type is important. So in this case, because I need to create a template for quarterly close, I'm gonna select close. Okay. Description is optional, so you can leave it blank if you want, and then let's just click on create. Now the template is created. Now let's just start adding the task. Now if you there are three kinds of tasks that you can add: the task, the review point, and then the GL rec. If you're not sure what exactly each of these mean, you can watch this video, and in that video I explain what exactly each of the task means. So let's just say I wanted to add a task for bank recs. So I'm going to click on bank recs. Click here, you have to decide the section. So I'm going to say inside the bank and CC recs, I want to have this task. Assignee. All right, so I'm gonna assign it to preparer. Priority is optional, tag is optional. By default, it's gonna be recur with project. So meaning, because this is a quarterly close and this project is gonna reoccur every quarter, all of the tasks inside this template will also reoccur accordingly. All right. There is one option that you can actually think of using it. So let's just say if there are any specific task that you only doing in a particular month, then in that case you can select that particular month. So the example I have is, let's just say the depreciation entry that you're not doing every quarter, but you're only doing at the end of the year. So you might just select December in that case. All right. And then description is optional and checklist is again optional. And then all you do, just simply click on create and then the task will be added to the template. Just like that, in case if you wanted to add a review point, you can actually pick from all these review point. These are the default ones. But then if you wanted to add new the custom review point, you can click on create custom review point, and then here at the top you have to choose whether you're doing it for QuickBooks or zero, and based on that you can set up the parameters and you can start adding the custom review point as well. So we also have a separate video that also explains what is custom review point and how you can create one. All right, so that's that. And with the GL rec, so here, so this is where there's an account type, right? Because we are sitting at the top level, at the firm level, and we cannot really pull the accounts from each and every account. And that is why we have the account type. All right. So let's take a situation where inside the bank and CC recs, you wanted to automatically show all the GL accounts from a particular client. Here is what you can do. For account type, you click on bank, and then here you have some conditions like contain or does not contain, right? So what you want to do is like you wanted to pull all the bank accounts, but then you wanted to exclude some accounts, for example pdcash or merchant clearing. In that case you might just type in all those keywords, cash, clearing. So what this would do is that, let's just, if you are importing this template in client A, and if client A has 5 bank accounts, out of those 5 bank accounts, one of them is a PD cash and one of them is MX clearing account. What this would do, it would automatically pick the rest 3 bank accounts and will create them as a GL rec, as a task. All right. So this is what you just have to keep in mind while adding the template for GL rec. The rest, all information will be the same. All right. So that's how you can actually create the task. And then once the tasks are created, if you wanted to edit them, you just simply click on the task name and you should be able to edit them as well. You can also do bulk select, and you can also perform the task as well. Uh, in case if you wanted to add some more section here, you can also do that, like fixed assets or prepared expenses. You can also do that. And once you've added all these different section, if you wanted to change the order, you can actually do it from here as well. All right. So that is how you can create the template, and that is how you can add the task inside the template. Now, I also wanted to show you like how you can create or manage different roles. So when you click on manage roles, right now we have a preparer and reviewer. But let's just say in your firm, you're calling it something else. You are calling it bookkeeper or you're calling it senior accounts reviewer. You can actually rename it, or you can also add some new role as well. These roles are helpful in a way that whenever you are assigning, so let's just say in quarterly close, I have this particular task assigned to preparer, and let's just say I have some other task assigned to reviewer. Whenever I am importing this template to a particular client, at that point it will ask me, who do you want to set as a preparer and who do you want to set as a reviewer? And accordingly, whoever user that you assign, those tasks will be assigned to those users, right? So that is how the role is gonna help you. So that's pretty much it about template. In case if you wanted to delete any of the template or rename it or duplicate it, you can just do it from these three dots.